We are now opening up Happy Meals. Mine's already open and we got the apples.
And we love our french fries, so we're...
Oh my gosh, and we got a Batman toy. What do we got? It's a cup and a bowl. Wow, this cup and bowl. Actually, wait. It's a
Oh my god.
It's a sippy cup, Charlie. What did you get? A sippy cup too? Oh.
I got a superhero one. That's what I wanted. This. Yeah. I'm in the boys' team.
Well, we got a Batman sippy cup and we got a lid for the sippy cup. So this is our cup. This is our cup. This is our lid.
Okay, and I'm spilling my yummy.
I actually want to pour my orange juice into this. I actually want to pour my juice into this. I'm gonna put the straw in.
Hey Hunter, what's behind you?
Waves.
So what do you guys always get at
No.
What do you guys always get when you get Happy Meals?
Toys.
What kind of Happy Meals do you always get? French fry. Do you guys
Frozen
get?
and Batman.
Do you guys always get chicken nugget Happy Meals?
Yes. I'm also gonna pour my Hey, where's my apple juice?
It's right next to the box, Bear.
Over here.
Ah, how did you? Actually, gonna do this. Squeeze it out. Ooh, you're doing it! Come on, baby. Ah! No, you spilled in my soy sauce. Baby, why are you doing this to my?
No, it dropped my straw in there. No.
No!
I'm actually just gonna drink.
Watch my soy sauce. Hey, you sprayed it in my face. Ah! You sprayed it everywhere, even on my stupid cup.
So Hunter, what you're doing right now? What's that called?
Tsunamis.
No, Bob. What's that called? The what you're doing right now when you eat food and you're watching and you're doing a YouTube video. What's that called? Is it called a mukbang? Can you say mukbang?
Mukbang.
Hey, this is a
Is this right? Hunter and Isla's mukbang?
Mhm.
Do you guys have anything to talk about?
We like our Happy Meal.
Hunter, say welcome to Jimmy's Garage Talk.
Welcome to Jimmy's Garage Talk. Like and subscribe.
Do you guys want to do more of these?
Yeah. Yes.
What kind of food do you guys want to do next time?
PB&J's turning into donuts.
Ah. You want me to deep fry them?
Chicken strips.
We'll do one where you guys get to eat them. Daddy already did a deep fried peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Charlie, how you doing, Bobo? You want your cup opened?
Let's see what
There you go, baby. Are you guys having fun? Oh, okay. Do you guys need help with anything?
But this is
Oh,
a
your
bowl.
apples didn't get open. Are you guys having fun? What are you singing, Hunter? What are you singing?
My favorite song.
Why don't you sing it?
Ah!
Oh, it's okay. We fix it.
Camera.
No, it's okay. We'll fix it. We'll fix it, buddy. We'll fix it. Why don't you sing your favorite song while we fix it?
My God, go change it to new pants.
Yum, yum.
There you go, Ella. So, the kids wanted to try and do a mukbang. They watched a couple, and they were having fun with it, and they decided they wanted to try it. So hopefully you guys like their little mukbang. Hunter, Isla, do you have any songs you want to sing?
Sing them in there.
Do you want to sing anything? So Hunter, you going to sing something? Hurry, Hunter, the video's almost over. Go ahead.
Can you play it and I can sing with him?
We'll have to set that up next time. Unless Mommy's quick draw McGraw. I don't think she is. So, you do a real good job singing it without the thing. Do it. It's just Mom and Dad. Don't get nervous. Oh, you're putting it on. This is what we watch on YouTube. No.
Hey, what's this? Hey, Charlie! Charlie, stop! That's mine.
You got spilled, Bobo. Here. There you go, buddy. Get up there. There you go. Sing it, Bobo. Did you guys have fun? Was this fun? Should we do it again, babies?
Yeah.
Okay. Say
If you like
bye-bye.
this video,
Bye-bye.